So I want to talk about how to make your straw phonation and water device. Water bottle is easy, water is easy. What you're going to need is this tube. Okay, it's generally called silicone or vinyl. Some are clear, some are not. This is white. Okay, I found mine in a hardware store. They sell it by the roll and they have different sizes, and I'll go through the sizes in just a sec. I also found some listed on Amazon in the US. I live in Brazil. I've never bought them there. I'm not an affiliate, but I'll put some links to the ones that I think would be good. And it's very cheap. You can buy a 10-foot roll for $10. Okay. And I have more than one. I have one in the car. I have one here in the house, and I've made them for friends as presents. I even made one for my coach. Okay. So basically, the length is going to depend a little bit on your body size, but about 14 to 17 inches, which is 35 to 45 centimeters, is going to be really good. So start big and then cut it down to get it right, because you also want to make sure that it's not so short that your hand is in an awkward position. I like to keep my arm kind of low in a natural singing position, so mine's a little longer. Okay. Then when you get to the diameter, you're actually going to be looking for both the outer diameter and the inner diameter. So there's two measurements. In metrics, it's 10 millimeters on the outer diameter and 8 millimeters inner diameter, which is 3/8 of an inch outer diameter and 5/16 of an inch inner diameter. Okay, and then the amount of water you can also experiment with. In fact, I lower it or raise it depending on the exercise I'm doing, because sometimes I want less resistance and sometimes I want more. Okay, so it can be about 1.5 to 3 inches deep, which is 4 centimeters to 7 centimeters, with the sweet spot being around 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Another thing that I did, because I found that as I had it in the glove, sometimes the air coming out of my mouth gets blocked by the bottom of the bottle. So I actually cut, I think you can see this, but I cut it, I didn't cut it square, I cut it at an angle, just the part that goes into the water bottle. Okay, so rush out and make one of these. I'm gonna be posting more videos about this device. There's one I've already made calling it the best daily vocal exercise you can do, and I'll put some links here for you to go find those videos. So rush out and make your nebulizer, actually, and I'll see you in the next episode.